So I recently found out about this website called Gamer Sensei. This is a site where you can get paid for being a video game coach. All right, now I stopped playing video games years ago. I think one day I might get back into it, but I do know the video game industry is crazy right now. People are making all kinds of money, by playing video games, but I didn't even know you could get paid for coaching other people. So this could be a really cool side hustle. Now, when it comes to Gamer Sensei, you do have to be approved to be a video game coach. They do, look at your social media and they look at your, your video game handles and so on and so on. So you do have to be approved to be a coach. But once you are approved, you actually can set your own hours. You can set your own rates. You know what I'm saying? So whatever you want to charge, you can do that. All right. Now they want you to be an expert in one of these games right here. I got it posted. You can pause, screenshot, or whatever. These are the games they're looking for coaches in. All right. So if you are an expert in any of these games, and you're looking to earn some extra cash, you definitely want to check out Gamer Sensei. Now, if you are looking for another easy way to start earning a recurring monthly income online, check out the first link in the description of this video.